All right, here we go. Carnival Sunrise, 9201, Grand Scenic Ocean View. This happens to be our anniversary. Typical bathroom, as always. But it's a 320 square foot room. Lots of storage over here. Bed. TV and a nice mirror. First we got the cake because it's the anniversary. And the big window shades. You gotta figure out how to turn these on. Nice big room. Couch will fold out to a full size. And then again, the king size bed. So let me pull the curtains up and we'll take another shot. 9201 Carnival Sunrise, Grand Scenic Ocean View.